In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place video on TV screen in Canva. By the end, you'll have your video neatly placed on a TV screen graphic in Canva and exported as an MP4, ready to share. First, open your design in Canva. If you're already on the Canva homepage, click your project to open it so you're looking at the canvas. Next, click Elements on the left sidebar and use the search bar at the top to search for TV frame. This brings up TV graphics and frames you can use as the screen border in your design. Add the TV frame to your canvas by clicking it once. It will appear in the center of your design. Drag it into position and resize it by pulling from the corners so it fits your layout. Keep the proportions by using the corner handles to avoid stretching. Now, click Uploads on the left panel, then click Upload Media. This opens your file picker so you can bring in your video. Upload your video file from your computer. You'll see a progress bar, and once the upload finishes, the video thumbnail will appear in your Uploads library. Drag the video onto the canvas. Drop it roughly over where the TV screen area will be. If it snaps to the whole page, simply drag it smaller from the corners and move it back over the TV. Resize and position the video over the TV screen area. Use the corner handles to scale, and click and drag to align the video with the visible screen opening on the TV frame. Zoom in if needed for precise edges so the video fills the screen area without spilling past it. Right-click the video and select Send Backward if needed. If the video is covering the TV frame, this will move the video behind it so the TV border stays on top. You may need to send it backward more than once depending on your layer order. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your video content. It just changes the stacking order. Adjust video size and position to fit the screen perfectly. Nudge with your arrow keys for fine alignment. Make sure no black bars or edges are peeking out and that the video sits cleanly inside the TV screen area. Take a moment to check all 4 edges so the effect looks natural. Preview your design. Click the play or preview button at the top to watch a short playback. Check that the video plays smoothly, the TV frame stays on top, and the alignment holds throughout. If anything looks off, stop the preview, make small adjustments, and preview again. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. This opens the download settings. Select MP4 video as the file type. This ensures your exported design includes motion and plays as a standard video file. Click Download. Canva will render your video. This may take a moment depending on the length of the clip. When it finishes, the MP4 will save to your computer. Your video is now placed on a TV screen in Canva and exported as an MP4, ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.